Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a zooming photo effect in PowerPoint. This is a great way to add motion and make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the Insert tab in the upper left part of the toolbar. From here, we will insert a picture and choose the photo we want to use for the effect. Let's go with this photo. We will use this photo to create a zooming effect. To add the zooming effect, all we need to do is click on the photo and go to Animations in the top toolbar. Here, we can see the zooming effect option. Once applied, the photo now has a zooming effect. If we click this, it will continuously play the zooming effect. And that's how we create a zooming photo effect in PowerPoint. With just a few simple steps, we can bring our slides to life and highlight the details that matter most.